Recording the sewer line here at 1557 Northeast 76th Street, dates May 13th, 2020. Recording this from a clean-out access down here in the basement for the addition bathroom that was put on here. We're going to pull back from this clean-out I'm accessing, get a look at the line, or what we can see of it anyway. So this is old concrete pipe that looks like it's tying into clay pipe. In the top right corner of that screen, you can see a little bit of orange piping. That would be old clay pipe. So concrete to clay transition, it's pooling here. We've got an offset or a break at this location. So I've located this. Well, it's definitely broken. So we're missing a chunk of the pipe. You can see in the top left part of the screen that concrete is not intact, and it's worn out and disintegrated. Point where we're catching sewage up there. Sooner or later, that is going to cause an issue within the home. Coming back through old concrete pipe now. Not a very far stretch before we run into a lip there that's also catching some sewage up. So the old concrete joint, from joint to joint, has a lip that's catching sewage. And we're coming back into the cast iron now, which is going to bring us pretty close to where I'm recording this from today. This is just outside the foundation. And coming back through the clean-out access here. There's where we're recording this line from. Is this somebody put a santee in here down in the basement. And I am going to end recording here. We're going to run around to the side of the house and get a look at the main sewer stack from the bathroom up top. So we're going to pause the video and then make a little field trip, and I'll start it back up in a second here. Alright, we're starting the video back up now over here on the, what are we, on the west side of the home, I believe. Here's this clean out access we're going through on the side of the house. And we're going to run it all the way out to the main, and then we'll work our way back. I'm running into some obstructions already here. I'm going to go inside and turn some water on. I'm going to pause the video until we can see something, because right now we're just looking at a smudge on the screen. So I will restart it once we can see. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go, recording from here on the side of the house. I've got some water running in the bath now. Help us keep the screen clean while we go downstream here. So, see some roots there. You got old concrete, pretty aggregate piping. Once we get down to the main, I'll turn the water off and we will come back and get a look at this line. Alright, I'm going to go turn off the water. We'll pause the recording and then we'll get a look on the way back. Okay, we're starting the video here. We're about 99 feet out, 100 feet out from this clean out on the side. What you're looking at there is a lip in the concrete pipe that I'm unable to jump my camera head over. So there's a lip down there, about 100 feet out, likely in the middle of the street there, that I can't get the camera to jump over. So we're going to come back from there. We're in 6-inch concrete pipe right now. And we're making our way back towards the clean out. A pretty steep drop there where the pipe's dropping pretty dramatically down. You can see this old concrete is aggregate rough piping. This is our 4x6 sewer transition. So we're in 6-inch diameter pipe coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So we're in 4-inch diameter concrete line. See some roots down there. We're coming into clay, so they switched to a clay material at that point. And you see these pipes has a seam every 3 feet. So at these seams, every 3 feet, it allows these roots to come in. So, and you got roots coming in at quite a few of these seams. So there we're dropping into that may be our 4x6 right there. I'm going to locate this spot real quick, find out where we're at in relation to the property. Pausing the video. Okay, I located that spot out in the front yard there. Looks like we're going from 4-inch to 6-inch diameter pipe out there in the front yard. So I was off on my diameters back there. So we should be coming up along the side of the house now. Old concrete line. Pretty good lip right there, where a lot of roots are coming through as well in the pipe. Got quite a bit of roots coming in through there. Rough old aggregate piping, big old root right there. So large root intrusion right there where this cast iron ends and the concrete begins. And coming back to the cast iron, and we're out of the hole. So there's our recording spot today. Ending the video there.